Did you find that perfect home online only to find out that it's already sold? Are you getting tired of all these emails showing you homes that don't really fit what you're looking for? If you're searching for homes in Syracuse, I'm going to show you how the #1 website in Central New York can save you up to 5 hours searching for homes simply by using it. You can even schedule showings and property valuations. Hi, I'm Marianne Kawelo from the Kawelo Home Team at Hunt Real Estate. Our team services Syracuse and the surrounding Central New York areas. If at any point in this video you have a question about the real estate market or a home, feel free to book a call with us using the link below. We are always happy to help and here to help you ace your real estate goals. Let's get started. One of the most common things I run into with clients is their frustration with multiple websites to get information about homes they're interested in. That's why we created this full service website that, when used correctly, can save you hours of time and frustration searching for homes that just don't meet your criteria. HomeFinderCNY.com is connected directly to the MLS that all realtors use, and it updates about every 10 minutes, ensuring you see all the newest homes that come up to the market the same time that we do. The thing that sets our website apart from the others is the advanced search feature. Let me show you how to access this. First, you need to make an account, which allows you to access all the information and the option to save homes that you may be interested in. If you've already registered on the website, you can go to this tab, log in with your email and phone number. Once logged in, you'll see a tab on the home page that says Advanced Search. By clicking on this, you'll get to narrow down your search not only by county, but by city too. You can also further narrow down your search by using the property details, which include acreage, beds, bath, and more. This ensures the homes you see actually match your desired criteria. And once you've entered your criteria, you can click search, which will bring up a list of properties. Those results, you can sort them from newest to oldest. Once you're happy with your search results, it's very important that you save your search. That way, when new homes that match your criteria come to market, you'll automatically get an email ensuring you're one of the first to see it online. Let me show you another powerful feature on the website. If you like a property, you can click Add to Favorites. That way you can store them together and be able to quickly pull them all back up at one time to revisit them. You can do that directly from the website. To find out more information, just click the Request Information button at the top of the listing, and it will notify me directly that you'd like to learn more about a certain home. If you'd like to see the home in person, you can easily schedule a showing by just clicking the Schedule a Showing button and clicking a date that's convenient for you. If you've ever thought about what your current home may be worth or how much equity you have, another useful feature on the website is the home valuation, which can be found here at the top of the page. Simply click how much is your home worth, enter your address, and it will send you a free current market analysis of your home. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, as we would appreciate your support. Be sure to also watch the rest of our videos to keep up with what's going on in the real estate market, as well as local community events. If you're looking to buy or sell in Syracuse, feel free to reach out. We can be contacted using the link in the description below. You can also keep watching the website to see what new properties are available for you. See you in the next video.